Welcome back, Crammers, to question 13. There are 380 students in a sixth form. This is simply a name. The students are either in the upper sixth or the lower sixth. The upper sixth is 20 fewer than the number of students in the lower sixth. 2/5 of the upper sixth study mathematics. 32% of the lower sixth study mathematics. Work out the total number of students in the sixth form who study mathematics. So if we're able to find how many students are in the upper sixth and the lower sixth, we can then find who studies mathematics in both and then combine those. So firstly, let's find out how many students there are. The upper sixth is 20 fewer, so we can write here x minus 20 is the upper sixth, and the lower sixth, so that's simply x, is equal to 380. So we can actually bring negative 20 to the other side, and we have x plus x, which is 2x, is equal to 380 plus 20, so that's 400. Divide both sides by 2, and we have x is equal to 200. Now, we note that the upper sixth is x minus 20. We found x to be 200, so that's 200 minus 20, or 180 students total in the upper sixth, and the lower sixth is simply x, so which is just 200. Note how 200 plus 180 equals 380, which is our total amount of students. Now, we can see here that 2/5 of the upper sixth only study mathematics. So the upper sixth we found to be 180. So 180 times 2 over 5. Now we combine this with the lower sixth who study mathematics plus 200 times 32%. That's 32 over 100. Or we can simply divide by 100 and we get 0.32 times 0.32. And we can use our calculator here to get our answer, which is 180 times 2/5. Close the bracket. We add 200 times 0.32, which gives us 136. 136, which means 136 in total students study mathematics. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.